Okay, so this is our next topic, which is topic number 2. This is the Simpsons Rule for finding area. Area pa rin, no? So there are essential 2 rules, first and second rule, but there is also a third rule. So today we are going to take up Simpsons first rule. Okay, so do you understand? This illustration is about the water plane area. But anyone who has an idea what is it? What it is rather?
Sir, yung sa loob nitong drawing, sir.
So pakiulit.
Nasa loob daw po, sir, ng drawing.
Hindi, wala. Yun lang yun. Yun lang ngayon eh. This is the water plane area. So I'm asking who has an idea what it is. So,
Sir, ano ang tanong, sir? Anong tanong?
do you know what is the water plane area? Okay, let's continue. So, water plane area. So, yung mga ganyan, these are our challenges, no? In conducting this online learning. So, kailangan natin mag-adjust. Okay, so this is the water plane area. So, wala pa kayong idea, pero hindi nyo ba nakita na, ano ba yan? Shape ba ng bala or shape ng barko?
Shape, sir, ng barko.
Okay, it's good. Oh, pangit yung drawing ko. Drawing ko lang
Top view,
yan.
sir. Top view.
Okay, so if this is your ship, so this is the area of the water level. Kaya sinabing water plane area. So, ito yung nakalubog. Yung ilalim nito, yan ang nakalubog. So, pataas nito, yun ang nakalutang. So, this is the water plane area. Wait, I have another illustration. Okay, so we borrowed this illustration from Bing. Okay, so if this is your vessel and you are submerged in this blue part, don't mind this center of buoyancy. Okay, so the water plane area is this one, no, from the blue part. And this is the top view. Okay. Never mind the front view. Never mind the side view. So, naintindihan nyo na, ha? Water plane area. Okay. So, this is still the water plane area. Hinati ko lang. I divided it for the purpose of our topic. And then, I made a y-axis. So, this middle is the x-axis. If you remember our graph. Okay, so this is half of water plane area. Hinati na natin. And it is sometimes called half ordinates. So, with this illustration, we can use the Simpsons rule. Now, our topic is the first rule. So, if we can solve for the area, multiply it by 2, then you have the water plane area. Okay, so this is Simpsons first rule. Screenshot. But I will also put this in our LMS. Okay, so Simpsons first rule. This rule uses the Simpsons multipliers. So, kung natatandaan niyo yung trapezoidal rule, which we call it pattern. So here we call it Simpsons Multiplier. So these are the multipliers: 1, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 1, 1, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 1, and so on. And this rule needs at least 3 ordinates. Ito ang pinaka-least na pwede nating isolve. 3. This is used when the numbers of interval in the half water plane area is divisible by 2. So if we come back to the drawing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 intervals, so it is divisible by 2. So we can use the Simpson's first rule. Okay. So I mentioned already, twice of this area is the water plane area. So this is the formula. Area is 1/3 times height and multiplied by Simpson's multipliers times y-axis. So axis plural lang ha. Kasi it is y1, it's either y1, y2, y3 or y1 to y5. So if you notice, this is the interval should be divisible by 2, but the ordinate should be in odd number. So 3, the list, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and so on. Okay, so don't be confused by the intervals. Intervals are in between and the ordinates are the y-axis. Okay, that is, so IE means that is. Area equals, in-apply na natin yung 1/3, h over 3 multiplied by 1 times y1 plus 4 times y2 plus 1 times y3. So, i-simplify nyo na, no? Tanggalin nyo na yung y1, yung 1, y1 na lang, plus 4 times y2 plus y3. Okay? Understood or not? Any question?
Sir, wala. Sample, sir. Sample problem.
Sample problem. Okay. So, sample problem is to be done as an exercise. No? Okay, for this. So, is the interval divisible by 2 or not? Using this, what do you call this? Using this illustration or figure. So, is the interval divisible by 2?
Yes, sir.
Because we have only 2 intervals. And we have 3 ordinates. So, nandito na, nilagay ko na. Okay. Y1 is 2. Y2 is 3.9. And Y3 is 5.2. Okay, so X is, so X1 is 2 and X2 is 2. Or because this formula we can only use with common interval. So X equals H or height. So height equals 2 units. Understood? Okay. So, kayo na mag-solve nito. Hindi na ako mag-example because the last time you are already expert. Diba? But we have to, I will make an instruction in our group chat. Okay, screenshot nyo. But anyway, I will also put this in our LMSN group chat.
Sir, yan yung sasagutan namin.
Sasagutan nyo to, exercises lang to. So don't worry if you will not make it. And later on we will solve a more complex that would be graded. Okay, so for now exercise lang muna. I'll give you a few minutes. And then
Sir, pabalik sa...
okay, so we will go back to the formula. Okay.
Sir, okay na.
So if you have 5 intervals, so ano mangyayari?
Feasible by 5.
Hindi, 3 pa rin siya. That is 1/3 eh. Pero yung multipliers mo magiging 1 times y1, 4 times y2, 2 times y3.
2
Diba
times
ito?
y3
Oh, di ba?
plus y4.
Ayun. Okay. So very easy. So na-screenshot nyo na yung formula ha. Okay, so let's end this meeting for now. I'll give you a few minutes, then let's come back later. Understood?
Okay po, sir.
Okay, sige.
Sir.
Okay, so if you already know how to solve it, then you don't have to lay out the formula. Just lay out the details like this. Tanggap ko na yan ha. Okay, so we got 15.2 square units. It means you are ready for a more detailed or what do you call this one? More complicated. Pero easy pa rin. More complicated problem, which is still easy for you because I noticed that you are very good in math. Okay, pakimute yung ano ha. Pakimute muna yung may manok dyan.
Para meron akong background of study.
Okay. Anyway, I will put that in our LMS. Okay, so this is our next problem. But before we do, I will ask you how to lay out the Simpsons first rule. So for example, in this one, so what is y1? Okay.
2, sir.
2. So how about the others? Is it 2?
2.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so sino pang may sagot dyan? What is y1?
So, nasan po yung ano?
Is it 2 or moment, I will come back.
I-share screen nyo.
Okay. Because this next one I'm going to grade it para may record tayo. So bago nyo i-solve, then let's lay out the formula so that I am sure you are going to answer it correctly. Okay, so these are the intervals, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So hindi kasali itong 6.2, ha? Only those in red color. Okay? Understood or not? Am I clear or not? Wala sumagot ah. So naputol ba ako o hindi?
Sir, okay na, sir. Okay na.
Sir.
Okay.
Okay na, sir.
Ayos na, sir. Sir, pabalik nga share screen.
Okay, so ganoon nga. Only this in red colors. Pero I'm asking, what is Y1?
2.
2.
Sir, 0.
Sino sumagot nun? 0. Si Byron ulit? Ikaw ba Byron yan?
Yes, sir.
Ah. Okay, so our Y1 is 0. Tingnan nyo kung ano nauna, no? Ano, yung nauna dun sa figure. Okay, let's go back to the figure. So if you notice, nauna, no? Y1. So our Y1 is 0 and our Y2 is 2. Y3 is this one up to Y7. So hindi kasali itong 6.2, otherwise we cannot use the Simpsons first rule. So kasi ang sabi sa Simpsons first rule, the interval should be divisible by 2. So for this one, we have 6 intervals with the same measurement. So it is divisible by 2. And we have also an odd number or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ordinates. Understood or not? Okay, so
Understood, sir.
so how are we going to lay out the formula? Anyone? Okay, so area is equal to 1/3 of H times ano?
1.
1Y1.
1Y1.
Di, sir, 0 yan.
Ano sa palagay mo?
0 po.
Okay, good. So 1Y1 plus
4Y2.
4Y.
4.
Y2.
Teka, nahirapan ako magsulat ah.
2.
Although I'm using a pen mouse, pero ang hirap pa rin.
2y3.
2y3 Okay, so sino yung maingay dun? And 4
y4.
y4. And then hindi kakapusin yata. 2 y5 plus 4 y6 plus
1y7.
1y7. So yung 1y7 actually there is no need to write, no? It's you can put it or you can read it as y7. So nilagay lang natin for explanation. Okay, so you have the formula. I think it is very easy for you now. Okay, anyway, I'll keep the formula for your handout when I put in the LMS. Okay, so we can stop this meeting again. Then you can solve for the exercise. Exercise number 6 na tayo. Huh? Understood or not? So any question?
No, sir.
Okay, so end ko na to. And you can solve for it.
Yes, sir.
Spotlight video. Yun. Sige, yan mo. Okay, can you see? Can you see the solution?
Kita nyo daw. Sagot.
Okay,
Hindi
okay.
pa gaano. Hindi pa
Okay.
Yes,
gaano.
sir. Kita po.
Okay, okay na yan. Okay na yan, Patrick. Baka para hindi nila makopya. Okay na yan.
Okay na, sir.
Okay. Okay, so this is mine. So can you see? If you want to do this, then I think it is better to the eyes. And
Let's see.
when you become a naval architect, then this is how the way. Pero it is better if you have labels. For example, this is the sum. Let's say this is the sum.
Pag-guys, hindi na nagpag-guys.
Okay, sino yung nagsasalita? Gustong kumanta yata, no? Okay, by the way, you can also do it by Excel. So, this is PowerPoint, but you can also insert Excel. Kaso hindi ko pa kasabisado kaya ang pangit, oh. So, this is automatic. I put formula and it's automatic. So, kung hindi ka magkamali ng pindot, no? Kasi even if you are good, when you commit a mistake in what do you call this, in using the calculator, ibang napindot mo, so then you can commit the mistake. This is Excel. Excel I inserted in PowerPoint. But if you use the Excel, then surely wala kang mali. So these are the ordinates: y1, y2, y3, y4, and so on. And this is your multiplier, your Simpson multiplier. 1424241. So this is your area at the bottom. So this is the total, and this is divided by 3 because 1/3, and multiplied by 2. So it's either way. Pwede rin na divide mo by 2, then multiply by 3. So you will arrive at the same answer. So okay, hindi ko pala na-yellow, ano? If you can see this number, this is also automatic. I put here the 1/3, and I put here the h, the height. So I hope you see this one, 3 and 2. Can you see? Anyway, we will arrive at the same answer, but mine is cleaner, so I have more points than you have. Okay? So kung 10 points kayo, mine is 11 points.
Tibay ni sir.
Okay, so our next topic. So tell me if we still have time, ha?
Wala na sir.
Ha?
Lunch na.
Early lunch.
Okay, okay.
Lunch na, sir.
So our topic is the second rule, but we don't have time, so we will continue
Next week.
on Wednesday. Holiday ba Wednesday? Bakit next
Hindi
week?
po. Hindi po. Sala lang po na. Sala
Idol!
lang, sir.
Okay, so it's almost the same. We have the multiplier. Okay, and but I will explain on Wednesday. Okay. So let's end this for now. I hope you get my solution, and next time when we will solve another one, you can try using the Excel and then screenshot. So may Excel naman kayo, di ba? Screenshot and then pass. So I think it is better. For a quiz of 1 to 10, you will get 11. Okay? So that's it for now. I will end this meeting and thank you,
Yes,
gentlemen.
sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir.
Sir, magchat-chat po ako, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.